See, everybody talk that loyal shit. When it's time to be loyal, everybody disappeared.
So many times had to tell a hater high, headed to the top like an elevator ride. So many times had to tell a hater high, headed to the top like an elevator ride. I am a goat, how you flying with goats? You gon' pay the same price, yeah, as high as the coat. I always keep me a watchful eye and a scope. I'm more iller than the patient that's misdiagnosed. Death was calling, yeah, and they ain't answer. Money shot in your memory bank after this bank transfer. I'm more doper than the Yola import. I'm running the red light, I don't care if it's photo enforced. Gotta make sure you stay within your budget. I was the plug, now that connection is interrupted. Married to the money, even though it's a rocky marriage. My unborn son probably'll be a terrorist. Some OGs need a drum roll, please. Even though some of them locked up and some OD trying to bubble. Like when you shake a bottle, I'm ill. I send chills like the scene in Lake Tahoe. I know zombies that don't feel wanted and abandoned, and they don't mind living somewhere in a haunted mansion. I was told to keep whipping. If I deliver to you now, it won't be no free shipping. Like walking pianos, gotta calculate every step. The hell with Slim Fast, I want my pockets to be heavy set. I done came out the pocket more than Drew Brees. In the booth, my punches hit hard like Ruiz. So many times had to tell a hater high, headed to the top like an elevator ride. So many times had to tell a hater high, headed to the top like an elevator ride. Bury me with my money, yeah, at my funeral. I want my pockets fat enough to need fat removal. Tell the baddie next to you to lose her boyfriend. Handed her a double cup and told her to choose her poison. Only God can judge me, fuck a virtual courtroom. We eating good out here without the use of any fork and spoon. Don't have my money, then you need to haul ass. I'm the untold truth like Beanie's podcast. From early in the morning, I'm switching to night mode. About to black out like a vehicle hitting a light pole. Gotta mind your business and keep stepping, cause round here they don't care about a heavy police presence.